Wanna know how to check for updates or check for new updates in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it, which is simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done all of that, here you should be seeing tools on the upper navigation bar. You can just simply select it. Now, if you don't see it under tools, it should be right under help. So you can just simply hover on here and you should be seeing check for updates. That should be right above about. So once you selected check for updates, so there should be updates that should be checked, which will scan through all of your IDE and check if there is anything with plugins or any other stuff. And that's it. If there are updates, you can just simply install it, and if there are not, you can just simply select finish right here and it will show no updates available. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.